The McLaren Artura is a hybrid sports car that is going to be introduced in 2023. It is the first hybrid model from McLaren and represents a significant step forward for the company in terms of technology and performance. The Artura is powered by a 3.0 liters twin turbocharged V6 engine that is paired with an electric motor and a battery pack, allowing it to deliver a total of 671 horsepower and 585 pounds-ft of torque. This makes it one of the most powerful hybrid sports cars on the market and allows it to deliver impressive acceleration and handling. One of the key advantages of the Artura's hybrid powertrain is its ability to drive on electric power alone for short distances. This allows it to be more efficient than non-hybrid sports cars, as the electric motor can be used to power the car at low speeds or in stop-and-go traffic, while the gasoline engine kicks in at higher speeds or when more power is needed. The Artura's battery pack is also designed to be lightweight and compact, allowing it to be integrated seamlessly into the car's chassis without affecting its performance or handling. In addition to its hybrid powertrain, the Artura also boasts a number of advanced performance-enhancing features. It has a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission that helps to ensure smooth and seamless gear changes, and an advanced active suspension system that adjusts the suspension settings in real time to optimize handling and stability. The Artura also has a carbon fiber monocoque chassis that helps to keep its weight down, making it more agile and responsive on the road. The Artura also has a number of advanced driver assist systems that help to improve safety and convenience. These include features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automated emergency braking, as well as a 360-degree camera system that provides a comprehensive view of the car's surroundings. Overall, the McLaren Artura is a highly advanced and performance-focused sports car that offers exceptional acceleration, handling, and efficiency. It is a significant step forward for McLaren and sets a new standard for hybrid sports cars.